Look at that. We'll put the carburetor right there.
You are watching Makeshift Garage. What are you doing?
You know what I'm doing? Damn oil pressure disappeared on me. We got a little oil. She's down a little bit. Might as well put it in, right? She's down exactly a half a quart. What do you think? Oh, there's a quarter of a quart. Oh, there's a half a quart. And we'll put a little spit in there just for the heck of it. All right. See what happens. See if it does it again. It got zero oil pressure now, so we'll see if it goes up when I take off again. I think it will. Is the idiot light going to be an idiot to me? I mean, come on, Billy Goat. Now look, see, it's still on zero, so that like don't make any sense. Then all of a sudden, let's see, still on zero. We ain't gonna get it to move before the stop sign. Let's give it a go. See what happens. Yeah, it's still on zero. Yo, one thing I know is there's always something to do with the makeshift. Never a boring moment, never a dull moment, never a dull day, baby. We've always got something to do. That barn you just saw, that barn is full of beautiful cars. He's probably got about 40 cars in there. Heated, climate control barn, and every one of them is pristine. And I'm talking about he's got really nice cars. Muscle cars, you know, everything. He's got every type of car there is. Makeshift alert. Another stop sign. Hey, look over there. Look at those trucks. Look at those trucks. A couple of old pickup trucks. I thought they looked like 70s or something. I think we're going to try to get one of them. I'd love to smack one on the ground, you know? Big 20-inch rim. Smack it on the ground, man. Just get a badass engine and rip the road up with it. But don't paint it, man. Leave it totally patina and ugly looking. I like that. I like it. What? Son of a... What the heck is that? Oh my God, the order. Yes, sir. All right. What are we here for? The plates. I wonder how many of the plates I got. I think I got one on that engine. I'm gonna have to see if I gotta pull one off the engine. I have to pull one off. Oh, we got one on this engine right here. Well, I'm gonna take this one. Shazam! It's already got tape on it. Look at that. We'll just take this one. We good. Beast. Let's get at it. Oh, look. Now it's zero. Come here. Look. See the oil pressure? Zero. What the heck? Let's go look at this motor. We can free this thing up, man. Ready to pop it out? We don't have to pop it out right now. We'll pop it out tomorrow morning or tomorrow after work. But there's only a couple of bolts left. I'd like to see it free and ready to move. One thing you want to do is make sure this damn thing is locked. Because that shit'll be a mouse truck. Boom. Mouse trap. Take your head off, man. Down in the engine. What the? Pipes? Or do I try to get these bolts out? I hate these freaking manifold bolts without a torch, you know? They're hard, man. Unless you torch them up, they usually don't move. What year is this? Does it say on the front like a 1965 or something? This is a 1971 fire truck. FE391. Son of a gun. So you know these bolts are not going to want to obey. They're definitely not going to want to obey. I guess we'll cut the pipes. I think maybe it's an 11/16 or a 15/16. One bolt. Imagine that. One bolt for the motor mount. One motor mount in the front. Nothing on the sides. That's a beautiful thing. And then we can cut these pipes and just reattach them later. Yep. This thing was leaking water out of the freeze-out plugs as well. So it was time. She was ready. It was time. Come on. Come on, Billy. I got no energy, man. Tomorrow's another day. Early in the AM. What are you going to do when you get 60, huh? What? So, good morning, America. We're back on the road early morning to work because that's how we pay the bills. We're paying houses, but I can't wait till after work because we're going to finish ripping that motor out of the fire truck. So, you know, here on the North Fork, I mean, if it's not a grape machine, one of those grape spraying picking machines, it's a tractor or a dozer or I mean, you better leave early if you want to make it there on time because there's always something in the road blocking things up, man. That's just the way she blows around here, man. That's the way she blows. This is my favorite truck, a 1999. How's that possible? How is that possible? I just love this truck. I love the fact that you can grab fifth gear, you know what I mean? I'm so tired of the fourth gears. I am old school, but I like that fifth gear. Relaxes everything. Cruising. It's a cruiser. Yo, what do you got? Come over there, man. I got stank breath. Oh, give me that. Oh, take two there, small. I got stank breath. I ain't lying. Can you brush your teeth? Are you supposed? I got coffee breath, bro. Oh, nice piece of gum in the morning. Well, here we go again. It's not 5 in the morning, though. I wasn't about to get up that early. I thought I could. I thought I would, but I didn't do it. So, it's after work again. About 5 o'clock. Sun's going down again. We're going to try one more attempt. We really need a full day, but we'll do what we can to get this motor out. Let's roll. Oh, all right. Wide pipe is down. We didn't have to cut it. Hallelujah. That's not easy to get those bolts out, but they did come out. Very close. Flex plate, bolts out, and let's go for separation.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna try to get those bolts that are in the flex plate. If I can handle the dumpster smell. Man, that dumpster stinks. Oh, look at that. We did have an extension. Let's give it a try. Separate that flex plate. I'll tell you what, if we get that flex plate separated, the only other thing we have to do is pull the carburetor off and put the plate on there. We're going to use the same bolts that are holding the carburetor on to hold the plate on. And we might have contact. Contact, lift off, 8 bolts. Woo! Oh, a little work after work. That'll take the wind out of your sails. But, carburetor off, motor out. I think I need a pair of pliers too. These are supposed to pop out, but they don't. Vice Grip Garage, can we help you? There we go. I like that guy on Vice Grip Garage, by the way. I lost my vice grips. Vice Grip Garage. I lost my vice grips. There we go. Yeah, no, I like that guy on Vice Grip Garage. He's actually pretty awesome, man. I love the lingo, the sparkulators. that's some funny shit. That dude is funny, man. Yeah, I don't know any of them by heart. I got CSH, man. See, I can't even remember that. Oh, CRS. Can't remember shit. I couldn't even remember that. Oh, how am I gonna remember the firing order? I can't remember the firing order. Them fucking Chevy guys are funny though, man. They love rattling off those firing orders. 379 Oh, you ain't got it right, son of a. I couldn't tell you. I look in the book, man. I follow the thing and I say, oh, look, we got it wrong. Right here. Take a still shot of this. Or you could take a camera video. I don't care. But, and then she comes around, go around the other side. All the FEs I ever worked on, never saw nothing like this shit. But, just gotta remember, it goes into the bottom of the distributor. I like to look that shit up and find out why they're doing that because I don't have a clue. Alrighty, it's time. Showtime. Let's put the plate on this thing and see if there's anything else holding it down. Yep, the whole spacer has to come off in order to. Come on, you can do it. Come on, one thing at a time. Dang. What is going on around here? You know what? Where's my screwdriver? Well, one thing I can see is that this thing, like I said originally, is not going to go around that wheel. So we're going to have to pull this wheel up, jack it up, get this wheel off. Boy, who the hell? Look at this. Would you believe the size of this thing? She on there. 1 1/4, baby. Break a bar.
You're not taking this off now, are you?
And a pipe. No, we gotta get the jack. I gotta run and get the jack. So tomorrow's gonna be another day, a little bit every day after work. That's the way we do it at the makeshift. We do what we can. This is not our full-time job. We're just doing this to help out our buddy Adam. Of course, he's giving us some money to do it, but it's not like what a shop would charge, man. We're just having fun. Father and son, makeshift garage, fire truck, rebuild, baby. Yes, sir. Anyways, we do need, so I thought we need a breaker bar, but I don't think we do. I could actually turn these suckers. Look at that. All right. Look at that. We'll put the carburetor right there. Where's the rag? Give me a good rag. When you put your carburetor away for the pizza truck, you might as well use a pizza box, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? She's beautiful. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that. Made by our hands. Here we go. A little bit every day after work. She's ready to come out. There's no bolts left. Everything's still. The pipes are dropped. Bam. Motor mounts are out. All the freaking flywheel bolts are off. I mean, flex plate bolts. And we're ready to roll, man. We're ready to roll. We got to pull it out. We got to get this tire off. The only thing holding us up. So we got to go get our massive jack. Where did we show you this jack? This thing is from like 1910. Huge. It's for stuff like this. We're ready. Let's roll.